Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming here for this a small interaction. So normally what we do normally whenever we go to a state, we normally meet the local regional journalist because Election Commission of India considered the media as one of its important stakeholders, and media is very important for us to communicate our initiative, to communicate our any of our new processes that we are starting. Like currently we are doing SIR, special intensive revision here. So media is very important stakeholder for us. It gives us feedback. It also amplify our messages to the common people, to the last mile people, and a special importance for all of you is of because we need to communicate our messages in the regional language. So the main reason why we are meeting here is my request to all of you to kindly propagate, to kindly amplify our messages in the regional languages in the state of Mizoram. Another important thing, since the Mizoram is going already, a special intensive revision is going on here. So I will just give you some briefing about the special intensive revision. What is the special intensive revision? Some basic FAQs, so that you will have some normal common understanding of the process, and that will help you in doing good news coverages, doing good news articles as well. So basically, normally we start with what is the objective of SIR? Why SIR is being conducted? Any one of you can just sum up it in 2 lines. Can anyone? What is SIR? What is the objective of SIR? So the main objective of SIR is a comprehensive exercise where we are doing house to house enumeration, and the objective of SIR is to ensure that all the eligible elector of Mizoram is enrolled in the electoral roll, and no ineligible entries, no ineligible name should be there in the electoral roll. So what do you mean by ineligible entries? So ineligible entries means the dates, duplicates, shifted, permanently shifted, any illegal entries. So such things need to be removed so that we have a pure electoral roll. As we all know that pure electoral roll is bedrock of any democracy, and pure electoral roll is important for a very transparent and fair polls. So that's why SIR is being conducted across the country. I will also take you through some of the position in the law, what law says about the SIR, what law says about the eligibility of the electors. So few basic FAQs that I would request all of you to carry out in your respective media organization and amplify these messages to everyone. So first is what is SIR and what is its future? SIR broadly consists of enumeration phase, where our BLOs are going house to house and so distributing the enumeration form, collecting it, digitizing it. Also, if one want, they can also fill enumeration form through online medium. We have ECI net app platform. They can also do it through our ECI website as well. So this is the enumeration phase. Once enumeration phase is done, then there will be the draft roll publication, the another important phase of the SIR. So once draft roll is published, then comes the period of claims and objections. So once draft list is published, then if anyone has any kind of doubt, if they have any claims and objections over the wrongful inclusion or exclusion, they can file claims and objection during that period. And that period, during the period of claims and objection, notice period and hearing is going on in parallel. Once this gets over, then it's the final roll publication. So once final roll is published, after that you still has option of appeal. So there are two level of appeal, one with the DO and one with the CEO. So these are the phases of the SIR. So here, our key functionaries at Assembly constituency level is ERO, who will ensure that no eligible citizen is left out, no ineligible person is included. So normally, one more questions arises: do everyone is needed to fill enumeration form? Yes, EF should be filled by everyone. So who all will fill the enumeration form? Their name will come in the draft electoral roll. After that, the notice and hearing phases will start, and finally the final rule publication will happen. At each stages, we are involving the political parties. We are doing the entire exercise in a very collaborative and consultative manner. At we have both level agents who are appointed by the respective political parties. They are also involving during the enumeration phase along with the BLOs. BLOs are also told to be in touch with the BLAs, regular coordination between BLO BLA, to ensure that they reaches to every electors and ensure that all the eligible elector is enrolled. If suppose BLO misses out at some places, then BLA can also inform the BLO, okay, fine, this person didn't get the enumeration form. So it's a collaborative step also. Though our BLOs are ensuring that they will reach to each and every electors, and you must be knowing that already substantial percentage of EF distribution is already done in your state. You also have to communicate ki what is the eligibility to become an elector. So everyone knows this. Ki one should be the citizen of India, above 18 years of age or attain the age of 18 years. Third is ordinarily resident in that particular assembly constituencies, and fourth is not disqualified under any law. So you can also include this eligibility while you are writing articles over the SIRs. What is the need of SIR? One can say ki why SIR is required. So as I said, ki there are ineligible entries names in the electoral roll that is being purified during this entire process. So why this has happened? So SIR was regular exercise till 2004. Intensive verification warranted after around 20 years because of significant change in electoral roll, possibly because of the rapid urbanization, where there are inter-district migration, intra-district migration. Within a district, people are migrating from rural area to the urban centers. People are also migrating from one district to another districts. They are also migrating from one state to another state. Few are permanently moving out to the other countries also, or few are coming to our countries also. So all these things should be kept in mind, and it should be examined against the eligibility. That one should be a citizen of India, whether that person has citizenship of India or not, 18-year age, ordinary resident of that particular AC, and not disqualified under law. And during our previous meetings with the political parties, we had a very extensive consultation with the political parties in past before the start of SIR, where we had around 28,000 participants from the representative of the political parties across India attended the meeting with the DEOs, with the EROs, and with the CO office at the different levels. Election Commission of India also conduct various national level meetings with the political parties. So in most of the time, normally political parties leader has also from time to time they have raised the issue of the issues with the electoral roll, that there are certain entries which should be purified. Even it was reported in media also. So all that warranted for this special intensive revision. Another question is ki why SIR is being conducted in your state right now? What the laws say? So normally on electoral roll, as per RP Act, there is a section 21. Everyone should go and read section 21 of the RP Act. So section 21 2A of RP Act says electoral rolls shall be revised before every elections. So wherever there is election, it should be revised annually as per the ECI order. Section 21 2B of RP Act says, and section 21 3 of RP Act says that a special intensive slash summary revision may be carried out by election commission in such a manner as ECI may think fit. So since we have already declared during the first page of the SIR, I think it was 24th June, in our order, 24th June order, you may check that exact date. During that, we have told that SIR will be conducted across country. So now in phase 3, Mizoram is SIR in Mizoram is being conducted. Another important questions comes like what special initiatives, what special arrangement election commission of India is taking for enrollment of our old voters, senior citizen voters, PWD voters, any vulnerable groups or any needy voters. What Election Commission of India is doing for them. So, as you all know, and you must have got the press note also, that every district has set up the help desk also, and there will be special camps for the enrollment of the needy voter, particularly the senior citizen and PWD voters. There are also toll-free numbers for every district. ECI Net app and slash website, as I have already told, that those who are temporarily migrated and they want to fill their form from the place where they are temporarily residing, they can also use ECI Net app and our election website also. There is also a facility to connect with the BLO. So you can directly go to the ACI Net app, you can select your constituency, you can select your part number, and you can find the name of the BLO, and you can book a call with the BLO. And then your a time slot will be given, and you can call the BLO. Uh, you can discuss all your doubts, whatever you need with the PNO. So all these facilities, these are the few FAQs that normally arises in media. Normally, a lot of controversies around such questions: ki why SIR is currently being conducted, what was the need of SIR. So this, I hope I answered to all these basics questions. Apart from this, I have also briefed the CEO and DO offices that they will release regular press note for you. They will release regular photos of each stage. I would also request all of you to kindly cover the enumeration phase where our BLOs are going house to house. They are distributing the form. Today I visited one of the district where I went with the BLO. They were going to house. They were distributing the enumeration form. Many people were filling the enumeration form there only, and they were returning it. However, our we have also told ki first distribute, and if someone wants to take some time, then they can have that their own time. They again BLO will visit to collect it back. So what if someone is not present at their houses, so we have asked our BLOs to visit at least 3 times, minimum at least 3 times, and also informs the other people who are residing nearby, so that the person is well informed, and we have to ensure 100% enrollment of all the eligible voters. So this is what is going on in SIR here. So I would request all of you to kindly amplify this very important initiatives, especially through emphasis on the regional language, the regional dialects. Also, you can, while communicating, you can also I have also advised the CO and DO office to carry out a lot of awareness activities by integrating the cultural elements, because when we integrate our cultural elements in our messaging, it's become very acceptable to the community, to the masses. So my only request is कि all of you through your respective organizations, through your respective media platforms, kindly amplify our SIR initiatives. If you find any kind of grievance, also any kind of feedback, if you want to if you want to give, kindly give it to our nodal officer media on the regular basis. They will take the corrective actions as well. So, as I said, you are one of the important stakeholder for Election Commission of India since the starting. So it's very important. And also, soon we will also be inviting the regional media persons to Delhi for our one-day kind of workshop, where we will tell the entire process of the elections, how the entire elections is happening. I would also request all of you to kindly highlight our new initiatives. The Election Commission of India, under the leadership of our CEC Ganesh Kumar sir, has taken many new initiatives. Like you have seen that in recent historic elections, where voter turnout percentage was historic, what initiatives were taken, like 100% webcasting. Earlier there was not 100% webcasting. Now we have ensured that all the 100% polling station will be webcasted. We have also started the mobile deposit facility for the polling stations. That since everyone is using mobile, so there should be a deposition facilities at the outside the polling center. So one can go with the mobile, they can deposit, they can cast their vote, and they can come back. One of the another important initiative is maximum voter per polling station is going to be just 1200. So during this SIR period, there will be rationalization of the polling station also. So probably few number of polling stations will also increase as the maximum limit is reduced to 1200. So Election Commission of India is continuously taking lot of initiative with the twin objective. One objective is the ease of voting for our voters, the smooth experience for our voter. The second is to increasingly strengthen the integrity as well as the transparency of the electoral process. So this is it from my side. So thank you all of you for coming here, for attending this small brief interaction. And I would like everyone to please come to Delhi. Whenever in any case, whenever you are coming to Delhi, just give me a call. Come to the election commission, and also we'll be soon inviting you for one day conference in Delhi also. So thank you. This is it from my side.